So I'm really excited to see you interact with the interface, because up until this point in time, I've been, sitting in the background watching the patient interactions, and I've never actually seen how you use it on a daily basis. So I'm excited to have you walk us through it.
I appreciate this because I remember going back to one of the first conversations that we had was when you were telling me about this technology and what it can do. I was super excited because I remember telling you, Mike, I love technology. I'm not very good at it, but I love what it does and the potential that it has. And that's what I was looking forward to trying and watching its evolution and dating back. And I said, if it'll work for me, it'll work for all your clinicians, given that I'm not that savvy with computers. So going back to how we started with this, we tried different recording mechanisms in the operatory with microphones, and we found that the iPhone worked incredibly well. Recorded the conversations that I had with the patient and with my team members, whether there was drills running, faucets running, whatever background noise was done. The app and the phone were great at recording it. So basic procedure was we enter a patient's name and information, chart number, as you would have it in your office patient management software. And then a menu would pop up as to the procedure that you're doing. Is it an Invisalign consult? Is it a new patient consult? Is it a surgical appointment? So you would select the procedure that you're doing, get consent from the patient, and to a T, every patient, once I told them about the technology and the AI and the benefits that I see, they consented and they were excited by it. And once you consent, you can start recording the conversation. So whatever I do during that procedure, for the entire length of the procedure, it'll record the conversation as a transcript. And once the procedure is stopped, I can press stop and it'll ask me if I'm ready to transform that into a condensed version. And once I press that, basically a little processing icon would pop up on my iPhone. And once it processed and condensed all the information, it would turn into another icon which said it was ready. So basically, once I record the conversation, the patient's information is on my desktop. I open it up. The same two icons, it will say processing, and when the chart is ready, it'll say ready. So simply all I do was click on the ready, and it'll have a transcript, which is of the entire conversation that I had with my patient. And this is the amazing part, because there'll be stuff in here about their families, their dogs, their pets, and what we discussed during the appointment. And once it condenses it into the actual viable, accurate dental information that it needs, it cuts out all the other stuff. So in the chart notes, it's not going to mention their dog or their family members, but it's going to talk about everything that we discussed and did on that procedure. I can edit this. It's been very accurate as it's evolved over the past couple of months, where there's only a few minor adjustments that I may need. So it allows me to kind of click on these notes, make any adjustments that I want, and when I'm ready, I can just press copy to clipboard, and then essentially I just go to my dental software and copy and paste it into under the procedure code in the patient, and it's over and done with. It's recorded there. It's not going to go anywhere. It's accurate because I've either done it from the appointment or in between patients, I've made my notes and done it. Over the past couple of months, how intuitive this has been in picking up what I say and condensing it has been pretty amazing to watch.
Amazing. That's great to hear. And you know what? I think we tried to design it that it could be used by anyone, even yourself, and I'm only kidding there. I think you don't give yourself enough credit for how good you are with tech. Thanks for walking us through it, and I'm really excited to see what we do with it next.